Xiaomi 15 the most attractive. Xiaomi, a Chinese phone company, continuously launches impressive new versions to the market. Not only standing out with very cheap prices, this brand is also known for equipping itself with great configurations. Xiaomi 15 Pro is about to launch with a new design. 6.78-inch screen, 50 megapixels Leica camera and 6.000 mAh battery. Promising a top experience. Xiaomi is expected to launch the Xiaomi 15 and 15 Pro smartphone lines on October 20th at an event in China. Recently, some leaked images have revealed the new colors of Xiaomi 15 Pro: black, white and silver. In addition, a special version made of titanium will also be released. If true, Xiaomi will be the big leader with this unique color. We are used to Apple launching stormy phone models, with their colors creating trends of the year. But this time, Xiaomi may take the top spot. The rear design of the Xiaomi 15 Pro bears a lot of similarities to the Xiaomi 14 Pro launched last year. The main difference is that the LED flash cluster has been moved outside the camera cluster. While not particularly special overall, this change brings a fresh look to the device. This cool-looking camera cluster will also attract attention, even though many people do not like the camera protrusion like that. The Xiaomi 15 Pro is expected to feature a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a curved design on all four sides. Manufactured by TCL, this display has a 2K resolution and supports a 120Hz refresh rate, promising a smooth and sharp visual experience. This also shows a trend in Chinese phone models. Phone companies in the country of 1 billion people are pulling domestic suppliers into the race for phone components. More and more Chinese suppliers are participating, which means they have a greater advantage in the supply chain, as well as reducing product costs. In terms of configuration, the device will use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, with up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage. With this configuration, the Xiaomi 15 Pro promises to be powerful, enough to meet all usage needs, from daily services to applications that require high processing power. Although Xiaomi's RAM has impressive parameters, we also need some time to evaluate its durability and performance. 1 TB capacity is now becoming a trend for high-end smartphones, as the need for data storage is increasing. I remember that in the past, phones with 32GB capacity were considered very large. The rear camera system of the Xiaomi 15 Pro was co-developed with Leica, including a 50 megapixels triple sensor. Specifically, the main sensor has a resolution of 50 megapixels with a size of 1/1.3 inches and an aperture of f1.4, ensuring the ability to take photos without bright icons. With the combination of this excellent camera sensor brand, Xiaomi continues to demonstrate its desire to occupy a place in the phones with the most impressive photography capabilities. The ultra-wide-angle camera also has a resolution of 50 megapixels, while the telemacro camera with 5x zoom can shoot at a minimum distance of 30 centimeters, helping users capture small details at close range. On the front, Xiaomi 15 Pro will be equipped with a 32 megapixels selfie camera, meeting the needs of taking high-quality selfies and video calls. The interesting thing about them is that with a wide angle, it can help you capture more people, especially when there is a group of friends taking photos together. You will not have to leave anyone out. Battery and outstanding features. Xiaomi 15 Pro is equipped with a 6.000 mAh battery, supporting 90W wired fast charging, 80W wireless charging and 10W wireless reverse charging. This helps users charge faster and more conveniently, even without a charging cable. Personally, I am quite impressed with this fast charging line. It can help me charge while resting and still be able to use the phone. Notably, the special titanium version of Xiaomi 15 Pro will support a protective connection, bringing convenience and safety to users in emergency situations or when in places without mobile signal. In addition, Xiaomi is committed to providing 5 major Android updates for this device, ensuring that users will always experience new features and security updates for a long time. With notable improvements in design, performance and features, Xiaomi 15 Pro promises to be an attractive choice for those looking for a high-end and powerful smartphone.